WhatsApp is essential in our day-to-day life. Most of you may be aware of the basic tricks. Some of the basic tricks and tips are explained here which may be useful for those who are not aware. Do you know how to quote a message in your response? In order to do so, swipe right at the message you have got and you can reply immediately. The other way to do this is keep tapping the message that you have got and you will find the arrow type button at the top right. If you press this, it's another way to reply. Let me tell you a bonus tip. If you don't want to play voice notes by the speaker, simply press the play button and press your phone to your ears. You will now hear your voice note through the phone's earpiece just like a call. This would be very useful when you are at public places. Now let's see how to stop auto-downloading via mobile data. To do this, go to Settings, then tap on Data and Storage Usage. Then there you will find when using mobile data. You can choose according to your needs. There are 4 options: photos, audio, videos and documents. You can also modify according to your Wi-Fi.